Thinking of buying a diesel? You better know a little bit about what you're looking for. For starters, you need to decide what kind of truck you want. Each truck has its own flaws that you should be on the lookout for before buying your first diesel truck. Always make sure you know what you're buying. You want to go with a Cummins? They are very common for transmission issues, turbo failure, and going through front end. Always inspect the front end, especially if you're planning on driving it home after your purchase. A quick 5-minute roll on the ground can end up saving you money. When test driving, make sure to throw on your exhaust brake. Let it slow down on its own, ensuring your VGT is actuating properly. Turbo actuators on the 6.7s are a known common fault. Make sure you're paying attention to the way the truck shifts. Be sure to watch for RPMs flaring, rough upshifts, and rough downshifts. And of course, check the fluid. Does it smell burnt, or maybe is it discolored? Maybe you want to go with the Duramax. Each generation has its own flaws. However, we will cover the basics. Duramaxes are common for having fuel system faults and head gasket issues, which could cost you money down the road. There are some important questions to ask, like, has the truck had head gaskets done? Is it studded? Has it had a CP3 conversion? Here's what to do. Take it on a good drive and inspect your cooling system. Is your upper rad hose hard? Is your coolant reservoir bubbling? These are all great indicators that the head gaskets have left the chap. Is the truck hard starting, stalling, or even a no start? Pull a fuel sample and ensure there's no metal in the system. Moving on to the power stroke. Fords have issues depending on generation as well. As for the 6.7s, you still got that CP4 pump, so you need to be on the lookout. Look for or ask if they have a disaster prevention kit installed or a DCR conversion. They also have issues with the vacuum system. Look around the vacuum pump. Is it sweating or leaking? Hop in the truck and engage 4x4 to ensure that it engages as it should. They also commonly leak from the upper oil pan, which can be a very costly job to reseal. Crawl under and inspect if you have any oil leaking. No matter what you're looking for, it is always good to be informed. Some extra things that apply to all is checking for blow-by. It's very important to pull off that oil cap while the engine is running and place it on lightly. Does the cap blow off? Don't buy it. If you're handy with screwdrivers, bring one with you. Pull the intake off and check out that turbo. Dodges will be the easiest to check and see. Fords will be a little trickier, but you can still see that shaft. Duramaxes will make it hard for you. But if you can get in there, feel for shaft play and if there's any obvious damage. We could go on all day when it comes to diesels. The fact still remains. The more you know, the less cash you blow.